Welcome back to the first stage on 168 Chinese shopping app tutorial. And this first stage here explains everything you need to know as far as new user of 168 Chinese shopping app is concerned. Let me walk you through. Very first thing you need to do is to click on the 168 Chinese shopping app. After you have eventually download and install the app on your phone, and eventually you have successfully registered with your Alipay account, that is, you have linked your Alipay account with 168 Chinese shopping app. Now it's take you right here. Now, what are the things you need to know as far as 168 Chinese shopping app is concerned? Now, from the home page right here, there are so many tabs right here that you need to understand, ranging from here to the last icon right here. If I swipe this way, you see more icons right here. So I'm going to explain all these things to you so you understand them one after the other. Then from the top right here, there are about three tabs right here. This is for home page, this is for battery section, and this is for another sections right here. Now from the bottom right here, you have the home page, which is the 1688 logo, and some of the favorite tab right here, your chat, that is your message with the supplier right here, and your cart right here, and your profile icon right here. That is for the home page. Then if you scroll down right here, the more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load, just like what you see right here. So here, there is no limit to the number of products that will display right here because there are a lot of products right here uploaded by different suppliers. Now, from the home page right here, let me quickly walk you through some stuff. Here, you take a look at this particular icon right here, it's written new. Okay, so if you click on this particular icon right here, this is where you see all new products that upload by different manufacturers right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see new products. Now here, you can filter the new products uploaded by different supplier based on different categories. Now here you have different tabs from the top right here. Then you can simply make a screenshot and translate some of the information right here. And also you can click on this particular icon right here, which allow you to see more information as far as this is concerned. Then you have all informations right here, just like so. Then here we can simply make a screenshot for easy translation. Then having made a screenshot, I'm going to access from here now. I'm going to make use of my Google Chrome. So right here, I'm going to click on my Chrome browser right here. Then having opened up my Chrome browser, next thing I'm going to do is to click on this camera icon right here. Then I need to click on translate, then select this screenshot. Then after select the screenshot, then we have everything right here translated into English language. Then if you don't understand English language, you can click on here to always change to whatever language you understand. So right here, we have recommend for you. We have style, we have men, children clothing, underwear, accessory, luggage, shoes. Okay, now we can simply check on some of the tabs right here. Now under this particular one right here, there are Little Fresh, about 3,000 plus products right here. Then about 10,000 right here. So you can swipe in different category as the case may be. Now that is for that section. Then from the top right here, you have all new products, which is the first women bags, French tour, travel bags, then 48-hour delivery feature, 24-hour delivery feature, and follow store. Now when we need to simply go back to my 168 Chinese shopping app right here. Now here, what we need to do here is, this is just based on different category, as you can see after the translation. I'm going to close this tab right here. Now we can decide to filter by 24 hours. So for us to do that, we simply click on here. This will give us only supplier that can deliver the product within the 24 hours. Now there is, so just like what you see right here. Now we can filter by 48 hours either way. And at the same time, we can come down below right here and we'll make sure we choose price range. We can decide to choose price range from 550 to 100 yen, and we make sure we select by 7-day return of no reason right here. So we can uncheck the 24 hours now. Then we click on here to search. And in a few seconds, we are going to see the result if there is any available for that. But so at the time of making this video, there is no any available for that. We simply go back. Then we go back to the new tab right here. Now, the easiest way to search for new tab is for new product is to continue to scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load up. So if you like any one of them right here, what you need to do is to click on this particular icon So once you click on it, it's going to give you a favorite. Then click on the product link. So now when you click on the favorite, the product has been successfully added to your profile on 1688. Then you can scroll down right there and check on the detail about this particular manufacturer right here. And right here, this manufacturer here, they are verified supplier, just like what you see in their dashboard right here. And this is their logo of the verification identity right here, that they are legit manufacturer. Now you can read details about the product section right here, and this is a very new product. For you to check on the detail of product description, simply click on this particular icon right here. Click on here. So I'm going to click on here now. So in a few seconds, you are going to see product details right here. So this is everything that make up about that particular product. And this is also one thing you need to make sure you always check when you are sourced for whether latest product or old product. Always check the product description so that you don't buy wrong items. So once you check the product description, then you are good to go. So you can simply go back and check on more stuff. This is all available latest product that is uploaded by different supplier. You can favorite as many as possible. If I click on here and favorite this one also, so it has been favorite. You can also favorite this one if you love the product and you don't want to make a purchase instantly. You can favorite them. You can also search by another tab right here. Click on this tab. Now here you see these are all category of new products bag section with reference to our translation. If I go back to translations right here, so the second tab here is women bag. The next one is French throw right here. On the last one here is travel bag. So one after the other, we can simply go back right here and we click on the French throw. It's going to show us all the products in that category, just like what you see right here. These are all new products, latest products on 1688 Chinese shopping app. And also, if you click on the last one right there, which has to do with travel bags, so let's check them out. So allow it to load up. Then from here, you'll be able to see all available travel bags. So as at the time of making this video, these are all available travel bags right here. So you can also favorite them. If you love any one of them right here and you are not ready to make a purchase, click on this particular icon right here to favorite the product, and the product will be added to your profile. Click on here also, and the product will be added to your profile. It's that simple. So this is how to simply search for new products or latest products uploaded by different manufacturer on 1688 Chinese shopping app. In the next video, I will show you more about this particular things you need to know as a new user or a beginner user on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.